In this video, I will show you how you can build business credit 100% for free with Divvy. In fact, no matter the business that you are guaranteed to get approved. What's up, winners? My name is Nam. If you're new here, welcome. Here we talk all things personal finance and credit. Start now by subscribing so you don't miss out on any future videos. So as a disclaimer, I am a partner with this company, but this is a company that I truly enjoy the product and I just wanted to share it with you guys. In today's video, I'll give you an overview of Divvy's latest feature, which is the credit builder. In case you are not familiar with Divvy, let me give you a quick rundown of what they are all about before moving on. Divvy is a fintech company that has been around for a few years now. They are an expense management platform to help businesses spend their money smarter. The great thing that I like about Divvy is that it is a free product to use. So if you're in need of a better accounting system to track your company's budget in real time, Divvy can help your business run more efficiently. Additionally, if you have a team of employees that need access to business funds, this platform makes it so much easier to organize your books. Let's just say that you have 2 employees that need a spending account. Each one of these individuals can have their own Divvy corporate card. If you are the owner or the CFO, you can set a specific budget for each employee who has access to the corporate funds. Now, the employee would just use this card as they normally would. Once the transaction is complete, they can upload all of the receipts within the Divvy app. This just makes the process so much easier to see how your employees are spending, and it just simplifies taxes. Additionally, with every corporate card that you give an employee, you can set the budget. Aside from being an excellent expense management platform, a lot of businesses use Divvy as a credit line. Whether you are a sole proprietor or any company that's registered with the Secretary of State, you would be able to apply for a credit line. So to get approved, there are some bare minimums that you will need. Ideally, you would want to be in the business at least a year or more, have some cash reserves in your business banking account, and have positive cash flow for your business. Additionally, to get a business credit line, they will not do a hard inquiry on your credit report. So there will be no negative effects on your personal credit score. So ideally, the better your business financials are, the higher chances of approval for a Divvy credit line. But let's just say that you are a new business or you don't get approved for a credit line right away. This is where Divvy's credit builder comes into play. The way this would work is that you would prepay your account similar to a debit account. Whenever you make transactions with your Divvy card, you would pay it off with your funds inside of your account. By doing this will help you build business credit and a relationship with Divvy. So when it comes time again to apply for a credit line, you may have better chances. So aside from building business credit absolutely for free, whenever you use a Divvy corporate card for spending, every account holder will still receive rewards and have access to the software to manage all of your spending and expenses. I will go over the reward system a little bit later in the video. Unlike other credit builder accounts, there is no required security deposit and there's no minimum balance required either. Divvy says that you can preload your card or your account as much as you need or as often as you would like. Since you will be building business credit, when it comes to any sort of business funding out there, the better your credit score is, the higher probability of you getting lending. Currently, Divvy reports to Dun & Bradstreet and SBFE. For those who are not familiar with SBFE, it stands for Small Business Financial Exchange. This is one of those other business credit bureaus that supplies data to Equifax, Experian, and LexisNexis. So essentially, Divvy reports to the main key players in business credit. They also said that your activity will be reported to the credit bureaus on a monthly basis. Now, since this is a credit builder account, you may be wondering, can the credit builder negatively impact your credit score? According to Divvy, on-time payment history will have a positive impact on your business credit score, but late payments may have a negative impact. Now let's move on to the reward system. Whether you have a traditional credit line or a credit builder account with Divvy, the reward system will be exactly the same. How you earn rewards or points really heavily depends on how often you pay off your balance. They currently have 3 categories: monthly, semi-monthly, and weekly. The quicker that you pay off your balance, the more points that you can earn. If you were to pay on a weekly basis, you can get 7x on restaurants, 5x on hotels, 2x on recurring software subscriptions, and 1.5x on everything else. As you pay your balance later and later, the amount of points that you can earn becomes less. But even then, if you were to pay on a monthly basis, having 2x on restaurants and hotels is really not that bad at all. The next question that you probably have is, what is the value of Divvy rewards? So if you were to visit their website, it will show you that if you earn 10,000 points, this is equivalent to $100 in Divvy travel, $51 in gift cards, $49 in statement credit, and $52 in cash back. To be completely honest, I'm not really sure why the statement credit and cash back is slightly different, because I imagine it should be exactly the same thing. So from a valuation standpoint, each Divvy point is worth around 1 cent when used on travel, and half of a cent when receiving for gift cards, statement credit, or cash back. Now let's move on to talk about some comparisons on where you can build business credit. The first option that you can take if you want to build business credit is that you can always get a business credit card. If you would want to know what are my top business credit cards, you can check out a video up here. If not, I got a bunch of recommendations down in the description. The thing about business credit cards is that the barrier to entry is quite low. As long as you have a business that's registered with your county or Secretary of State, you can get a business credit card with little to no revenue. When I first got my business credit card with Chase, I just started a business and it was still an idea at the time, but I was still able to get approved. The only thing that you have to worry about when it comes to business credit cards is that most do require a personal guarantee, so they will pull your credit score first. Additionally, they may not report to the business credit bureaus or only report to a few. So if you are looking for a business credit line, credit cards can be a great choice, but not all cards will help you build credit. Another product that's new to the business building world is the Business Credit Builder by Credit Strong. The way this product would work is that it's very similar to a credit builder loan. If you are not familiar, this is where you would take out a secure loan and Credit Strong would hold on to that money and you would have to pay that money back on a monthly basis until the loan is paid off. So this can be anywhere between 5 to 10 years. And once you have done paying off that loan, you would then get access to that money. One of the pros with this account is that since this is a secure loan, you start to build a business installment line of credit. For instance, if you are looking for business loans in the near future, whenever lenders and banks do a closer dive of your company's financials and business credit score, having installment lines of credit may make it easier for you to get business loans. The con about this product is that it does cost money, plus you have a lot of money tied up. You can cancel at any time, but you wouldn't have the full benefits of a credit builder. If you want to learn more about Credit Strong's Business Credit Builder, the link will be down in the description or you can find it up here. So with all the information that you know now about Divvy's Credit Builder, who's going to get the most value from this platform? This is going to be best for small to medium-sized businesses. Whether you are a sole proprietor or a company that's already registered with your Secretary of State, Divvy can be a great addition to your business. Their expense management platform allows business owners to focus on their business and other important aspects. This especially comes in handy for companies that need to provide funds for their employees. This avoids overspending and going out of budget, which, believe it or not, happens quite often. The more money that you have moving around, the higher probability of you going out of budget. It is reported by Divvy that medium-sized companies can get back 5 to 7% of their bottom line. And larger companies with more than 50 employees can get back as high as 17% just due to the efficiency of their platform. But what if you don't run a multi-team member company and just a solo entrepreneur? By using this platform, you can keep your business expenses organized when tax time comes around, and you can still build business credit. It's a right to be by yourself right now, but when you are ready to get capital or funding, you know that you would be ready. When your company meets all the requirements for a credit line through Divvy, you can go ahead and reapply. The great thing is that you can reapply as many times as you need since there's no harm to your personal credit score. So the bottom line is that if you want to build business credit much faster than you normally would and save time on budgeting, Divvy is a pretty great platform. And the best part, it is a free platform. If you want to start building business credit today, I do have an affiliate link down in the description. If you want to learn about how to get a business credit card with only a soft inquiry, make sure you check out this video over here. I'll see you over there.